Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for a Georgia e-visa online. This is helpful because you can apply from home without going to an embassy, and the whole process is simple if you follow the steps correctly. So first, open up your browser and search for Georgia e-visa portal. Once you see the official website, go ahead and open it. When the page loads, you'll see a button that says apply now. Just tap on that to start your application. After that, you'll be taken to the application page. So this is where you begin filling out your details. Start with the citizenship or country section and select your country from the drop down. So then choose your travel document type like your passport. Next, select your purpose of visit and make sure you pick the correct option based on your travel reason. And below that, you'll see the insurance section. If you already have travel insurance, just check the box. If not, you can tap Get Insurance to get one. Then complete the security verification by typing the code shown on the screen. After that, check the box to confirm that you agree to the terms and conditions. So once everything is filled out, tap the Next button. Now, after you tap on Next, you'll move on to Travel Information section. And in here, you need to enter your planned travel details like your arrival date, where you want to stay, and how long you plan to visit. Just fill in all the required fields carefully. After that, continue to the Terms and Conditions section, read through it, and once you understand everything, confirm and proceed. Next, you'll go to the Personal Information section. So this is where you enter your personal details such as your full name, date of birth, passport information, and other required details, and make sure that everything matches your passport exactly. Then you'll move to the verification step. So double check all the information that you entered to make sure that there are no mistakes. If everything looks good, go ahead and submit your application, and that is it. You've successfully applied for the Georgia e-visa online. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.